Aloha everyone, Natalie here, and I wanted to go through a demonstration of how to successfully complete this scavenger hunt. I've already done a test recording with my Screencastify, and now I'm going to set it up one more time to ensure that everything is good to go for my recording. Before I do that, I want to open up my No'eau Center website in a separate browser. So I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to click on Open Link in New Window. Alright, so my window is way bigger than my form here, and I want to be able to refer back and forth to the form and the website, so I'm just going to be adjusting the size of the website so I can easily transfer back and forth between my screen. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to get set up with my Screencastify, which means I need to have a Chrome web browser set up. So let me just open up a Chrome window here, and I'm just going to click on my recording thing. We don't need the webcam, just the microphone, and I'm going to click Record Desktop. The next thing I want to do is I actually just want to record the No'eau Center website. I don't need to record any of the other screens I have open. And I'm going to click Share.
1.
Alright, and now I should be sharing just this particular screen on Screencastify. But for the purposes of this video, I have both of my screens being recorded so you can see how I've set up this particular scavenger hunt to, just make sense for me as the participant. Okay, so I'm being recorded and I'm ready to start. So I'm going to click Next. And it looks like for this scavenger hunt task, I need to be talking through each of the tasks. So for example, I need to be saying things like I'm clicking on the home page and I'm going here, or I'm doing this. That's how you can succeed or can successfully complete each of the tasks. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read the following scenario. So you are enrolled in a business course that requires you to use a financial calculator, but you aren't quite sure how to use your financial calculator. Find the workshop on video 1, the basic setup, to help you in identifying how to set up your calculator. Okay, so now I want to pretty much figure out where the first place is that I would look for how to find the workshop entitled Video 1, the Basic Setup, which is on financial calculators. And I need to make sure that when I click on things or when I want to go and do things within the site, I'm talking out loud essentially. Okay, so now I'm in the website. I'm going to start my scavenger hunt. So the first thing that I am noticing as I'm in this website is I'm seeing this menu, which seems to be helpful. There's a lot of different information on this menu, so I'm wondering if I can find anything here. There is a keyword that's kind of making me feel like I might need to click on workshops, because it does say in my instructions, my scenario, to find the workshop. So I'm guessing that I might have to click on workshop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on workshop. Okay, so after I've clicked on workshop, I am looking for information on the financial calculator. So I'm just kind of scrolling down on the page and seeing what I can find. It looks like there's events that I can join. Oh, okay, so now I've just come across this section on interactive workshops, and as I'm scanning through, I notice, ta-da, financial calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I'm assuming that this will lead me towards some type of workshop. So after I click on that, looks like, oh, okay, something's loading on the page, and wow, it looks like right here, video 1, the basic setup. So I think I've successfully completed this task. After you complete the task, or what you believe is the completion of the task, then you're going to go ahead and rate how difficult you found the, if it was difficult or not, and then if the information on the page that you were asked to go to, so in my case it would be this financial calculator page, if this page is helpful to you as a student. So it's pretty subjective here. It's pretty much what you feel is your answer. So if you feel like maybe too many clicks to find something on the page makes it hard to find, or if there was nothing located in the menu makes it hard to find or easy to find, it's really up to you. Kind of use your best discretion. After you rate it, then you would click next and move on to the next task. And you would do exactly what I've done, just kind of talk through how you found the web page within the particular task. And then once you are finished completely with the assignment, then you would click Stop Sharing, which would then take you to this page here, and then you can go ahead and share this document or this video with us. And that is kind of the nitty and gritty of how to complete or successfully complete this scavenger hunt.